Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Nimisha's Lively Lifestyle. For those who are new and who do not know me, I am Nimisha and I create videos, anything and everything related to lifestyle, such as I give product reviews, health tips, beauty tips, share interesting recipes, haul videos and much more. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so that you get a notification as soon as I upload a new video. As we all know that winters have come and it's that season of the year that we have to take care of our skin little bit extra because our skin gets very dry, flaky and irritated. So in my today's video, I am going to share my skincare and body care products that I use throughout the winter. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So first I am going to share all the skincare products that I use during winter. So starting with the first product, that is the face wash. So I use the Biotic Bio Honey Gel. So this is the face wash that I have been using for more than a year now. In between I had changed to another one. And I will post the review of that product as well, but I have now come back to this face wash. I am just loving this one because this gives me the perfect hydration and it really suits my skin. As I have mentioned in my previous videos that my skin is dry and I need to take little extra care because of the dryness. It really gets very stretched and very itchy also sometimes. So I prefer using this face wash. It is really very refreshing and foaming as it suggests in this. So I am really in love with this and I will continue using this face wash itself. So moving to the second product, I am going to discuss is this toner. So I am a person who do not use toner regularly. I do not follow the strict stringent skincare regime or routine. I usually do cleansing and then moisturizing. But if at all I feel that I require a toner, then I always choose a rose water toner. So this time I am showing you the Just Herbs one. I have been using this one. So I have got this Just Herbs in the trial kit which I had ordered, and I also had done the review of those trial kit products. If you have missed watching it, I will leave a link somewhere here in the I button. Do watch it after watching this video. So why I prefer rose water is it really is very refreshing. Even as a toner it is great, but even if you do not want to use it as a toner, you can always use it any time of the day if you feel very tired. It really gives you a refreshed feeling. I am not going to review this product as such because the review is already there in the previous video wherein I have reviewed all the products of Just Herb, so you can check that out. So this is the rose water that I am currently using, and after this gets over I will definitely repurchase this, or I will switch to Kama Ayurveda rose water. That is also a good one. I have used it previously. And always while choosing a rose water, you have to check for the ingredients because there are so many rose waters in the market which has lot of chemicals. So be sure that you choose one which is really Ayurvedic. So moving to the third product, that is the moisturizer. So this is the moisturizer that I have been using ever since this has come in the market. I think it's now almost 3 years that this has come in the market, and I have been using this even for 3 years. So I am totally in love with this one, that is the Pond's Light Moisturizer. After introducing this into the market, there was also one more variant that they had introduced, that was a gel based moisturizer. I have tried that one as well, but I somehow prefer using this one because this has really does very good to my skin. It really gives that hydration. It's very lightweight. It doesn't leave your skin greasy, or you do not feel like you have applied some kind of moisturizer on your face or some kind of cream on your face. It definitely provides that perfect hydration, that kind of hydration what my skin requires. So this is my pick as a moisturizer. So moving to the next product that I am going to discuss is this facial mask, that is the Ayurvedic Ritual Skin Lightening Anti-Tan Mask. So actually I have reviewed this product as well. So I will leave the link here somewhere in the I button. Do check it out after watching this video. I'm not going to talk about this product in detail here. This is the mask which has all the Ayurvedic ingredients like turmeric, sandalwood, and it definitely leaves my skin very hydrating after using this. So I use mask once in a week. Actually you can use it twice, so I usually use it on Sundays. It is really very hydrating, it gives that glow, and it does all that things what it claims here in the product. And also these have micro beads, so it also facilitates as scrub, so you do not have to use extra scrub for your face. What you have to do is, after it gets dried, you have to just apply little pressure and remove the mask from your face and just wash it with plain water. So it does the work of scrub as well. So I do not use any separate scrub because I'm using this one. So this is a very good one, so I continue using this in winters as well. Now moving to the next product, that is this Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. So we all know that this is the most important thing that we require during winters, and since childhood we have been using this one. So I use this as lip balm because currently we are not going much outside and we do not have to go for office and all those things. So I refrain using lip balms, like tinted lip balms currently. So I just use this petroleum jelly. It just helps recover from all that chapped lips and also dryness. So it's a perfect pick if you are indoors and you do not want any tinted lip balm, then you should go for this one. And we all have been using for years, so I do not have to tell much about this one, so everybody knows about it. So now I have discussed all the skincare products that I use. Now let's talk about the body care products that I use. Now talking about the body care products, the first product that I am going to talk about is the Parachute Oil. Yes, we all use this oil to oil our hair, but I use this to massage on my body. As I have a very dry skin, as I mentioned earlier, it really leaves the skin very dry and very irritated, and I really face lot of itching during winters. So what I do is, I use this oil, I massage it on my body, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and take a lukewarm shower. So what it does, it provides that hydration, it moisturizes our skin, and coconut oil is really very good for moisturizing. And I know many of them use this as makeup remover as well, but I do not have that habit of applying this on my face, so I don't try that out. But if you have the habit of using it as a makeup remover, or if you have a habit of applying oil on your face, if you have a dry skin, then you can go ahead and do that. But you, be sure that it suits your skin. It really provides that hydration, so I usually use it once a week, but sometimes my skin feels very dry, then I use it twice a week. Now talking about the next product, that is the shower gel. So I always prefer Body Shop shower gels. It's been years I have using them. So they have different variants and I keep switching and changing from different variants. I have been using strawberry, then I've changed to British Rose, then I've also tried Moringa one. Now I'm using the Wild Argan oil. I haven't used this one. This is the new one from their range that I'm using. Since they mentioned it has Wild Argan oil, I thought having oils would definitely provide lot of hydration and moisturizing, and as it says, it does provide, and I have been using this their shower gels for a long time, so I know that it is good for winters as well. So and also you require a very less product. It will take you for many months. You will not run out of this shower gel very soon. And if you haven't given a try to Body Shop shower gel, I would really recommend you to give it a try, because it is really good not only for winters, but you can keep using it throughout the year. Now moving to the next product, that is the body lotions or the body cream that I use during winters. So as I said that my skin is very dry, so I use body lotion 365 days. So I choose to use this Palmer's coconut oil formula with vitamin E. So this is having the raw coconut oil which is harvested from the coconut palm, and it also says that it doesn't have parabens, phthalates, mineral oil. It's free from gluten, sulfates and dye, and it also provides you 24-hour moisture, and the consistency of this product is not that thick. It really absorbs very fast, quickly onto your skin and provides that hydration what your skin is looking for. And also it doesn't leave greasy, and the fragrance of this product is amazing. It stays for a very long time, especially if you use a body mist which has coconut as ingredient in that, coconut and vanilla ingredient in that, it will really stay for a very long time. So I have been using this even in winters, but sometimes during winters I feel that I need to use a thicker cream. That time I choose to use the Bath and Body Works body cream. So this time I have chosen the Hello Beautiful line. I have reviewed this product as well in my Bath and Body Works haul. If you haven't seen that video, again I will link it here somewhere in the I button, and you can go and watch it after watching this video. And talking about the Bath and Body Works cream, body cream, they also provide you a good moisturizing and hydrating creams. Even if the consistency of this cream is thick, it definitely absorbs very quickly onto your skin and does not give you that greasy feeling. You do not feel that you're wearing a cream onto your skin. It really provides that perfect hydration which is required during winters, especially for dry skin people. You do not feel that your skin is getting too much dried out, or those white lines when you happen to itch or scratch your skin. You do not find that if you apply this one. And also the fragrance is amazing. If you have used Bath and Body Works products earlier, you will be knowing that they are amazing in fragrance, no matter whichever line you choose. So they have their classic lines as well, that is the 1000 Wishes. The fragrance of that line is also very amazing. Do try it. They keep a lot of sale on their website, official website, so do keep checking it out. Especially during winters, they run a lot of sale on their website. I hope you all enjoyed my today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you felt this was helpful, do share it with your family and friends. And also, to stay more connected, do follow me on my Instagram page, that is Nimisha's Lively Lifestyle. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't till now, and also hit that bell icon so that you get a notification as soon as I upload a new video. That's all for today. I will come with another interesting video very soon. Until then, this is Nimisha signing off. Bye.